going to show you how to use the Raspberry Pi Imager software in order to install NEMS Linux 1.6 for our Raspberry Pi. I am doing this on Microsoft Windows. Keep in mind you're going to require a 3B or higher Raspberry Pi model. Open the Raspberry Pi Imager tool, and once in, simply choose OS. For NEMS Linux, I've already downloaded the image file, so simply scroll all the way to the bottom, and we're going to use Custom. Browse to that downloaded image file. Keep in mind you do not have to unzip it, and hit Open. Now I'm going to choose which storage to write to. Be careful, I don't want to overwrite any of these other drives, so now is when I insert my microSD into the card reader. You'll see that Windows now prompts me and shows me that this is in fact the H drive. So that is a little tip for me. This is the M drive, so there's two partitions there. So I can close those windows that Windows popped up, and now I know that it is my H and M drive. Now you can simply click on Write. As Windows pops up these dialogues, you can simply close them. This is a perfect opportunity for you to grab a coffee because this is going to take a few minutes. Finally, the image has completed writing to my microSD card, and the Raspberry Pi Imager is now going to verify that it was successful. Simply close these dialogues that Microsoft Windows has opened and eject your microSD card, inserting it into your Raspberry Pi. Do keep in mind the NEMS server Raspberry Pi must be connected to your network using an Ethernet cable. Once booted, simply open your browser and head on over to https://nems.local. If prompted, accept the security certificate. Congratulations! NEMS Linux 1.6 is now installed.